paddle steamboat Thomas Powell and North America both had same-size radial wheels, but the design was quite different. I had these circles laser cut. They were done in just a few seconds. That process was shown when making Thomas Powell's wheels. Spokes are in fact buttons and straps I will cut off later on. Arms will be made similarly to Thomas Powell's wheels, so no need to show that again here. These wooden segments will be fitted between the inner iron rings for the purpose of staying the arms. A paddle wheel had many identical parts like this one, for example. So it's worthwhile making jigs and stamping dies. Floats were 1.5 inch thick wooden flatboards, 5 feet 3 by 2 feet 4. They were fixed by means of stirrups passing around the red pine arms and held in place with screws and nuts. Over the years, many improvements were made to paddle wheels. To reduce vibrations, some of them got triangular floats, others diamond-shaped ones. At one point, they even tried herringbone-shaped wheels. Robert Stevens introduced the split bucket design, which was fitted to Steamboat North America. You can see here how the floats overlapped each other. The wheel had 3 center plates, 1 inch thick, with webs and holes for receiving bolts and fixing the arms. These hubs were fixed and keyed to the shaft, which was 14 inches in diameter and almost as wide as the steamboat itself. Outer rims reinforced and protected the wheel from driftwood, but added more water drag. That's why many paddle wheels were designed without them. The gigantic diameter of these paddle wheels was meant to immerse only a very small segment of the wheel. Floats would then dip and emerge at a near vertical angle. Feathering wheels had the same efficiency at only half the diameter of the radial wheels, but all the moving parts and bearings required constant maintenance. These river steamboats always looked brand new. They were repainted at the shipyard every year, And during the sailing season, crew members often went around the decks with paint cans for touch-ups here and there. So here's Thomas Powell's wheel, and on the right North America's wheel, same size, but quite visible here the different type of construction between a full-length float wheel and the split bucket wheel. Thanks for watching.